to unrestrict someone on Messenger. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can unrestrict someone on Messenger. For that, you'll have to open your Messenger application on your mobile device, and once you reach to this page, here at the top left, you will find 3 horizontal lines. Click on those lines and some options will pop up from there. Here, click on the settings icon next to your profile name and you will be taken to a new page. From here, scroll down and there you will find privacy and safety option just below avatar. Click on this option to reach a new page. Here you will find restricted account option under this section. Click on this option and then there you will find the account that you have restricted previously. Now to unrestrict them, you just simply have to click on that profile name and then you will reach to the chat page of the person. At the bottom you will find the option unrestrict. Go ahead and tap on this option and after a while you will see the person has been unrestricted. So in this way you can unrestrict someone on Messenger. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.